ChatGPT, Copilot, I mean, name it, Gemini, you have all of those technologies right now. But they're going to give you data again, they're going to give you information. But to process it and to apply it, you definitely need to have more empathy. Hi, my name is Danya Khan. I graduated from Pristine in 2014. I work as a marketing specialist at Micro. It's an IT distribution company. Today we were here talking about the future of workspace, how things are changing and how we could adopt. So we gave our insights on how people should be able to adapt to changes and be able to learn new things and technologies and be able to unlearn things that they already knew. Simultaneously, how consistency and adaptability is really important in whatever field you select.
Good morning. So I'm Pristine, 2016 Alumni of Pristine, and now I'm flying as a pilot for Air Arabia. Today we had a panel discussion in school. First and foremost, it was wonderful to be back. A lot of memories. It was a great honor to tell the students our experiences and basically how to shape yourself in the future. I just remember, always be curious. There's no wrong questions. Showing up is as equal as working hard, and preparation is everything. Prepare the night before, prepare the day before, and it will always keep you ready for what's ahead of you. Anything unexpected, it's supposed to happen. It's alright to fail, yeah, but just remember, guys, success comes from good judgment. A lot of good judgment comes from making the bad judgments, failing. So that's how it works, yeah. Other than that, we see a lot of things nowadays on social media. Just remember, the real world is very different to this. Be yourself, be original, be true to yourself, and you will always do well in life. Thanks.